16 Secrets to Grow on YouTube with 0 Views and 0 Subscribers in 2021. Beginner's Tutorial. One of the most troubling question I find, in most of the comments on my channel, and the people I meet is, how to grow on YouTube with 0 views and 0 subscribers. And I can imagine the frustration. Because no one knows who you are yet, and what kind of videos you actually produce. So, in this video, I'm answering that question in full. I have compiled for you 16 top secrets for growing on YouTube even with 0 views and 0 subscribers. If you are new to this channel, my name is Hannington. I am an internet marketer, and I teach you multiple simple ways to make easy money on the internet. If this is your desire, then pause and click the subscribe button for more ideas on making money on the internet, step by step. Also click the bell icon to notify you whenever I publish another educative video. And in the comments write, I subscribed, to enable me respond to your comment instantly. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to give you one of my top money-making programs on the internet. And if you have not watched our exclusive step-by-step series yet, just check down in the description for the playlist, so that you do not miss any step in your journey to make money on the internet fast. My intention today is to teach you how to grow on YouTube with 0 views and 0 subscribers as a beginner. If you stay to the end, I give you the blueprint step-by-step process to success on YouTube. Growing is a process. So do not panic because you are not growing as fast as so. They have probably gone through the same fears you are facing now. In fact, many people do not go beyond 100 subscribers before they give up YouTube. To grow on YouTube with 0 views and 0 subscribers, follow the following secrets. Secret number 1. Similar metadata. Use metadata similar to a relatively similar very popular video. This tells YouTube what your video is related to the popular video, so that YouTube can recommend it to the relevant viewers. YouTube has data of all people searching it, and knows what everyone goes to search there. So when you upload a video, they will automatically present it for search to the right people. Your video's metadata should be similar in titles, video descriptions, and tags. It is recommended you use a well-selected group of tags on all videos in a given channel. Then try to mix up these tags into the script of the video logically, and fix them into the titles and descriptions of your videos in that particular channel. This will place your videos in connection where if one of your videos appears in a search result, then in its suggested videos another one will appear. So, viewers are likely to click that suggested video for more content. When they see your own videos in that spot, it tells YouTube that you're keeping people on YouTube a lot longer, and they are watching more of your videos. This means that with just a little bit of search traffic, provided you rank for low competition high search volume tags, you can turn that little search traffic into a lot of views. This is so because if they see more of your videos in the suggested video, then they are likely to watch yet another video of yours. The point here is that the more similar all of your videos are in terms of metadata and niche, the easier it is for your channel blowing up fast. Secret number 2. Pick a single niche. Do not mix up different niche videos on one channel. As hinted before, sticking to a single niche is very important, because all of your videos will start to feed each other. And if any one video goes viral, it's very likely that many other videos will take off too. The viral video feeds all the other videos in the channel as long as they are in the same niche. This is the power of similar metadata. Secret number 3. Choose an uploading schedule. Choose an uploading schedule and stick to it. This will help YouTube know that you're serious about YouTube, and the algorithm will start to show more of your stuff to viewers, and will tell your subscribers when they should tune in for your videos. For starters, you could upload 1 video per week. When you have gained momentum, increase to 2 if you can. To notify subscribers of the uploads and change if it occurs, use the channel banner, channel trailer, or verbally in your videos. Secret number 4. Create a backlog of videos. Never panic for lack of videos to upload. According to the selected schedule, it's advisable to create a backlog of videos enough to cover a month. This will enable you produce organized content, instead of half-baked videos due to schedule pressure. Avoid uploading for the sake of fulfilling the upload schedule. Secret number 5. Compelling titles. Do your best to find the best enticing words for your video title. As a beginner, you want to ignite a fire in someone's mind. Your video is just like any other until I see something unique about it. This is obviously in either or both the title and the thumbnail. No one would ever click a boring title, especially if they do not know the author. So, make sure both of these compel someone to click your video to find out more. So you will need titles in the form of how to do something, secrets of, 10 tips to something, and so on. Secret number 6. Stay consistent. Be consistent in uploading. There's nothing as disappointing as switching on a tap, and there's no water. If you have committed yourself to producing a video every week, stay at it. Your viewers and subscribers will be judging you by your promise. So many beginners on YouTube upload a couple of videos, but because their videos do not get viewers, comments, and likes, they give up. To grow to 1 million viewers, you must stay consistent. This is a long-term business, and surprisingly, it is only hardest at the beginning. Secret number 7. Provide value. To grow on YouTube from 0 views and 0 subscribers, focus on providing value and never on money. When you focus on money, everyone will see it. Though it is impossible to ignore money because you are spending, try to focus on the value you bring to your viewers. If you provide value first, the money will come spontaneously. Secret number 8. Use low competition high search volume keywords. It is almost impossible for a beginner on YouTube to rank for short direct keywords. Therefore, it's advisable to find low competition high search volume keywords which are easier to rank for. There are a number of tools for this, but I recommend a tool called VDIQ because of numerous other added advantages. As a beginner on YouTube, you need to find high search long tail keywords with lower competition, like how to make money on YouTube for beginners in 2021. The longer and the more specific the better. Secret number 9. Put a reward to your requests. There is always a reason for doing something. So, you must have a good reason for starting a YouTube channel. Your channel and videos are therefore full of requests towards the desired objective. A request to subscribe, to like, to share, to comment, and many others. People normally want to do something for something, so it is imperative that you offer something for your request. Viewers will be more inclined to accept your request if it has a reward. Secret number 10. Make simplified video scripts. Make clear video scripts for your videos. Many YouTubers can afford to sit in front of a camera and air out a video off-head. However, every human being has the ability to do mistakes. So if there's a little interruption, you lose track and go off topic. This is where your viewers break off to view some other serious person. It is therefore advisable to have a video script, either as a bullet list of the key points, or as a full detailed script. However, as a beginner you are advised to use the full script because it makes creating videos easier, faster, and precise, therefore reducing the time required to edit a video. Secret number 11. Hook your viewers to watch to the end. Aim at making viewers watch your video to the end. At the beginning of your videos, the viewers' expectations are very high. So, it is to your advantage to harvest these expectations. Hook your viewers to watch till the end, with one of the scenes in the video. Preferably, this should be the climax of your video. Do the same with your channel, by putting a high view count video as your channel trailer. Secret number 12. Video promotion. Promote your video as much as possible with simple tools. After publishing your video, you will need to promote your video. If you are an old YouTuber, you may not need to do much, because you have already established systems in place. But if you are new, the only free of charge tool you have is search engine optimization, where YouTube will use their algorithm to present your video to the search engines. However, after investing so much in video production, you do well to do some promotion effort. So it's advisable to choose 1 or 2 promotion media, such as Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Instagram and others to assist YouTube promote your video. But you need to remember each one of these media require time to learn to perfection. So, go slow on any one of them. What you need to do is to create a short video clip on your social media channel, and then at the end you can say, if you want to watch the full in-depth tutorial, go to the link to my YouTube channel and watch it in full. Secret number 13. Follow the trend. Exploit what people are more interested in. After publishing a few videos, when you study your channel analytics on YouTube, you will realize that a few videos are doing much better than others. The best advice here, like the Forex traders say, is to follow the trend. Do more of those videos, because they are what your viewers want. Remember, on YouTube, the viewer is king. Secondly, Google Trends always tell you what is trending. And thirdly, any search engine will give you what people are searching in any niche, as long as you write the search term in search. Secret number 14. Respond to comments. Attend to viewers' comments regularly. There's nothing worse than talking to someone, and they do not respond. It is even more hurting, if that someone was the first to approach you. Always remember that behind every number on your video viewers, there is a living person with a soul and feelings. You do bad to hurt their feelings. So, make it a point to respond to all the comments you receive on your videos. And to show even more affection, you lose nothing if you respond with a heart in addition to kind words. Secret number 15. Be realistic with your expectations. Avoid exaggerated expectations. It is quite unrealistic for a month-old YouTuber to compare themselves with a 10-year-old guru. For a fruit tree to bear fruit, you must prepare the ground, plant, water, and manure it, then give it time to grow. You do bad to get discouraged for not measuring up to high YouTube performers. Be yourself and go slow. By now, I hope you realize that our aim with this channel is to give you as much value as we can for free. So, for more ideas on making money on the internet, click subscribe and thumbs up to get more educative videos of a similar nature in future. Thanks. So, let us continue. Secret number 16. Call to action. Conclude with a call to action. For any project started, there must be a purpose. At the beginning and end of your videos, make a verbal call to action towards your goal. Never assume anything as far as dealing with viewers is concerned. Obvious as it may seem, people need always to be reminded to subscribe, like, hit the bell, watch the next video, and so on so forth. A small verbal call may be the reason someone subscribes. Now, some work for you to do. As promised, I want to give you one of the top money-making programs on the internet. If you want to realize tangible success in your struggle fast, take action right now. Choose one or both options here. 1. For very special coaching and one-on-one guidance, I recommend you to join the best program I would presently recommend for you. Click the first link in the description. 2. If you still want to learn from me for free as a beginner, watch my free tutorials video series playlist, and bookmark that page. Click the second link in the description. Yes, you can grow on YouTube with 0 views and 0 subscribers. Others have done it, and continue doing it. You can do it too, if you put in the effort. Thank you for watching.